How to save Twitch streams on phone. So if you want to save your Twitch streams on your phone, then first you need to open up your Twitch application, or you can also go with your browser. So open up your browser or your application, search for Twitch and go with login and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, now you just need to simply go with profile, which will be on the upper right. Go with login. So if you're using the application, you can simply go with settings under your application and search for help and legal. But if you're using the browser, you can simply go with the three dots and then tap on help and legal and tap on privacy policy. And once you're under privacy policy, now wait for some time and just go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Scroll down, tap on browse, and now make sure to log into your account. Go with the upper right, which has that 3 dots, and then go with desktop site. Once you're on the desktop site, now you need to reload your page. Once you've reloaded, you can go with the upper right, which has that profile option. Tap on profile. Once you go with profile, now go with the settings option. And here you need to go with channel and videos section. Under your channels and videos, on the upper left, you will have 3-bar icon again. Tap on it. And you will have an option of stream. You just simply tap on stream. And then you can go with your stream clips. Or just go with the settings option and then tap on stream. And once you're under the stream section, now here you will have VOD settings. So under VOD settings, what you need to do is just toggle on the option of automatically save broadcast for up to 7 days. And that's it. That's how you can save your Twitch streams on your phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.